How to set up disappearing messages on Telegram. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to set up disappearing messages on Telegram. Let's just get right into it. Open up Telegram. Now you need to know that you cannot set the disappearing messages on Telegram in your normal chat. So if I just head over to chat right here, this is a private chat. That's why I'm able to set the self-destruct timer or the disappearing messages timer. But if I just go over to this simple chat here, I'm not able to do that. If I go over to the group info here, as you can see, there is no option to set a disappearing chat anywhere. So I'll just quickly show you guys. You want to go over to a personal profile or chat. I'll go over here. Once you're on the chat, just tap on it to go over to your chat info. Go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right, and you'll find the option to auto delete. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can select 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or a custom date. So the minimum is 1 day here. What you want to do basically is start a secret chat with them. So just tap on start secret chat right at the bottom. Once you have started your secret chat, you can go over to settings. Once you started your secret chat, you can tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on self-destruct timer. And you can easily set this to however many seconds you want. It can be as short as 1 second all the way up to 1 week. So let's say if I wanted the message to self-destruct on under 3 seconds, I can tap on done. I'll just send the message, and after they've viewed the message, it will disappear after 3 seconds. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.